Introducing the 2024 Cupra Born, a stunning 5-door estate in sleek grey with 204 horsepower and an electric power source. This beauty is packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and more for ultimate comfort and convenience. Safety is paramount with ABS, lane departure warning, collision avoidance braking, and more. The stylish design includes privacy glass, spoiler, and more. Plus, with energy recuperation and self-driving capabilities, this car is truly ahead of its time. And rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible ride. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.